The most important mathematics and physics that you will need in your life is going to be in this video. It is time to uncover the science of pizza. Not only am I going to show you the best amount of pizza per unit price to get, but also if the Domino deals, you know, sometimes they sell 2 medium for this kind of price. Is that a scam or is it actually a good deal? So this Domino's pizza profile is from Ireland, so your country might be slightly bit different. There's 4 different pizzas: large, medium, small and personal. And the inches are 13.5, 11.5, 9.5 and 7 accordingly. I changed the diameter from inches into centimeters, but I also got the radius while I was at it, which is half the diameter. The price per pizza is also listed in the third column. The formula to find the area of a circle, which we approximate the pizza to a circle, is pi r squared. Now we know pi is 3.14, and so we just have to sub in the radius of every individual pizza in here. For this example, I'm doing 17.15, which is the large pizza. I got an answer of 924 centimeters cubed, but what's really important here is what is the area per unit price. So you divide it by the price and I get 36.97 centimeters squared per euro. Now this is repeated for all of the pizzas, for medium, small and personal. I found a really interesting result that the medium and the small pizza are actually the exact same. I also looked into the deals that Domino's Pizza provides, and one of the deals that existed for me was 2 medium pizza for $27.99, 47.87 centimeters squared per dollar. That is much better than the large pizza. I hope you found something very educational here, because I certainly did. I know now I can get that small pizza without feeling guilty.